This demonstration is being done on Windows, but it is the same on any device running Kodi. I will add references to Android version when needed. By now you should have your donation link to your device MAC address. If not, go ahead do so. Let's start with the download. We will use Kodi 15.2 released version, so click the download link and download the one for your platform. In my case it is Windows. If you are on Android, ensure you use the version for your device. Most devices are ARM and it is also available on the Play Store. Once download is complete, proceed to install Kodi. When install is completed, you can choose to run Kodi and click Finish. Once Kodi is running, let's take an extra step here. I will show you how easy it is to configure Kodi for other services, not only IPTV. Go to File Manager, click Add Source, enter the URL as it appears in the video. Choose a name for the source. I usually add an asterisk at the beginning, to have the source show at the very top later. Click OK and proceed to exit to the home screen. Under Systems, click Settings. Select Add-ons. Install from Zip. Select the source name we created in previous step. Select Start here. Select Plugin Video Hub Wizard. After a few seconds the wizard will be added to Programs. From the home screen, click on Programs. Click on Config Wizard. In the next screen we will choose the icon that applies to our setup. You may choose Android or any other that apply to you. In my case is Windows. The wizard will take a few minutes. Be patient, do not interrupt the progress. When the wizard is completed, you'll notice the background changed, and now you have icons for music, videos and others. You now have a complete Kodi setup, where you can watch movies and or listen to music. In my opinion, this is all you need to do in Kodi. Now let's set up the IPTV part. From home screen, select Settings. Select Add-ons, select My Add-ons. Scroll down and select PVR Client. Select Stalker Client. This is the version included in Kodi, so no special version is needed. Note the version, as of right now, is 0.8.4. Click on Configure. Let's set the connection timeout to 15, and leave active portal as 1. Note that some user tipped us to a 60 for connection timeout. I do not think it is necessary. Click on Portal 1 tab. Under MAC address, enter your linked MAC number. This is just an example. You must enter a real number here. For server address, enter the server URL, e.g. http, your server name.tv. For time zone, you need to set this to your zone, in order to get accurate guide. For serial number, use a 13 digits serial. As an example, I will enter this combination. Note that if you use more than one device, the serial number also have to match on the second device or connection problems will exist. Keep the serial number written down for your reference. There is no need as of right now to fill in any other settings, so skip the rest, since this is all you need to provide. Note that I did not enter anything for guide. There is no need for this, you will still receive the guide. But if you know the correct settings, you may as well enter it. Now click Enable. Exit by the X on top right corner. Verify the client reads enabled. Click the back arrow 3 times. Select TV. Scroll to the lower left and change the level from standard to expert. This is to see the option to use channel numbers from back end. Select the radio button, as it appears on the video. Then enable TV. If you have entered all information correctly, the channels should start to load, and the TV option will be created in Kodi next to video. Let's take a look at the channels. Notice their guide was still loading in previous step, but it is now completed. Let's take a look in the channel section. Here is a demonstration of the EPG working without entering any information in the setup, and also let's take a look at the EPG itself. Optional Kodi also can sort or group your channels in a similar way that the Stalker client. Take a look. First thing first. Disable TV. Clear data. I do this 3 times for more accuracy. Click guide and also clear data 3 times. Go back and select add-ons. My add-ons. PVR client. Stalker client. Just click on disabled. Ensure it is disabled. Exit Kodi. First we will complete the cleaning process on Windows. Follow the process as I go. Please note that the app data folder might be hidden, and to make it visible you will need to go to folder options and check the box for show hidden folder and files. Once in the destination folder, add in data. Proceed to delete pvr.stalker folder. Do not worry, this will be recreated by the client later. Now let's do the same on an Android operating system. Here I used OI File Manager, free from Play Store. Note the top address bar for a clear view of the navigation. Again, once we get to destination folder, long press on the PV or Stalker folder to enable its context menu. At the top, select Delete. OK, we have completed the cleaning process. Now we will go back to Kodi and reconfigured everything. By now you should be familiar with getting back to configure the client. But you can also follow where I click. Back in the PVR client, let's open it. Do not forget to set the connection timeout to 15 again. Configure Portal 1 the same way we did before. After configuration is completed, enable the client. Click the 10 on top right to exit and verify it is enabled. Click back 3 times and go to TV. Enable it. Channels should start now loading. If the error may appear, repeat the process. Congratulations! You just learned how to prevent connection issues. Thanks for watching. Here is a bonus. Those of you having buffering issues in Kodi. Most people with Android devices and Amazon Fire TV will appreciate this. Note that the advanced settings is not present here. We will create it inside Kodi in less than 2 minutes. In Kodi, go to Programs and select Maintenance Tool. If you are present with a warning saying this is for advanced user, just click OK. Select System Tweaks. Let's verify that there is no file created yet. Select the Tux and XML Create Edit Advancing XML Settings. Select Edit Settings. Select Audio Video Playback Settings. Select PVR. Now enable these settings, and add their values as I do. Hit back twice. Select Write XML file. Note the lower right will indicate the file has been created. Let's view the file. And let's verify the file here. We will go back to Windows Explorer and ensure the file exists in the directory too. Here it is. Enjoy. Peace.